Top 5 Best Automatic Gate Opener. Number 5. Ghost Controls TSSIXP. Looking to buy best dual swing gate opener? Before read many dual swing gates opener reviews, you can see this power gates for driveways. This one is perfect for you. Because this opener can move 5 to 20 feet long gates with weights between 300 to 900 pounds, it moves more weight compared to similar models. It also meets the requirements of the UL 325 7th edition standards. The installation kit includes a 10-watt monocrystalline solar panel energy. It can work with an automotive battery or an ABBT battery box kit. For maximum security, you can lock the system control box. This opener is specially designed for tubular or agricultural style gates. Its accessories have a warranty of 18 to 24 months. By registering your Ghost Controls opener on the product registration, you get a 6-month extension over the base warranty. The engine has a lifetime warranty, an advantage that you won't get with most of the products on the market. And the most important part is, this is a heavy-duty gate opener. Gate opener which is heavy-duty solar gate opener. So, gives you the maximum security for your home. So, you can rethink about this heavy-duty solar automatic gate opener. Pros: easy installation. Durable and resistant. Long warranty with a 6-month extension. Cons: it doesn't work with generic remote controls. Battery not included. Coming in number 4. Mighty Mule MM371W Automatic Gate Opener. It can move 6 to 16 feet long gates, with weights between 150 to 550 pounds. It provides both of single swing gate opener and dual gate opener support. Mighty Mule MM371W gate uses smart code technology, so you can control it by using your smartphone from anywhere. This means that it's safe in case if you are not in home too. It can work with a 10-watt solar power panel or a 12-volt transformer connected to an outlet. Summer uses 24-volt DC power battery. With a solar power gate opener panel as a power source, it also requires an automotive or marine battery. The complete kit includes a mounting kit, receiver, transmitter, gate opener, instruction manual and DVD. It's very easy to install, although you need the necessary tools to do so. It also has a 12-month warranty, longer than most similar models. Pros: easy installation instructions. Durable and resistant. 12-month warranty. Cons: suitable for DIY gate openers users. Coming in number 3. G.T.Master Sliding Automatic Gate Opener Kit. This swinging gate operator automatic gate opener kit is very much in the same vein as the COZ. Although it comes in at a cheaper price point and can only deal with gates up to 27 feet in length. One of the best electric gate opener as auto sliding gates. There are security features built into this motorized gate opener which will stop people from being trapped by the gate operator as it is closing. Surprisingly, there are very few gates on the market which include features like this. Pros: cheap gate opener. Easy to install. Can be used with up to 20 remotes. Cons: can't deal with the bigger doors. Coming in number 2. COZ Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This automatic gate opener is ideal for the larger doors. It can deal with gates up to 40 feet long and weighing up to 1,400 pounds. One of the best automatic driveway gate openers. Best-selling sliding driveway gate kit. One of the key features of this auto gate system opener is that a person can set how fast they want the gate actuators open or close, which could be useful for all manner of different purposes. Extra gate opener remotes can be purchased, which is ideal for a business which may have multiple people open up the gate. Our best choice is Mighty Mule gate opener remotes. Although it is inexpensive gate opener. Also, the COZ automatic gate opener is a heavy-duty gate opener, which has the maximum security system for a house. Which also works as security alerts of a home. Pros: easy to install. Can be used with around 30 different remotes. Easy to customize to specification. Cons: not ideal for smaller gates. Coming in number 1. Mighty Mule MM572W. Some automatic gate openers are used as dual sense technology and some are used as code technology. Mighty Mule MM572W is one of them. There are also mic technology, sense technology, safe force technology you can check. This Mighty Mule dual gate opener is ideal for 6 to 18 feet long dual swing gates with 350 to 850 pounds of weight. The complete system includes installation kit, 2 openers, transmitter, receiver, transformer, backup battery, and control board. The installation instruction manual includes a DVD with easy-to-understand explanations. Check the control board if it is easy to understand or hard. Sometimes circuit board you will see is very complex of a gate opener. It works well with a 10-watt solar panel power connected to an automotive or marine battery. These items aren't included in the kit. All system elements have an 18-month warranty. Mighty Mule MM572W 18 feet gate opener works well with all types of dual swing gate openers made of tube, panel, hardwood, or vinyl. In case of any failure of the power source, the backup battery can open and close the gate without problems. No doubt, this one of the best residential swing gate openers from our list. But you can read all electric swing gate openers reviews to be confirmed. Pros: durable and resistant. Backup battery included. 18-month warranty. Uses dual sense technology. Cons: none.